Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add your Apple ID in App Store so you can start downloading app games and even make purchases through the App Store. It is very simple, so I'll teach you how to do it. First, simply open the App Store on your iPhone or your iPad or any iOS device that you have and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version so that you won't be running into any problems further in the process. Now, simply at the top, tap here and you can add your Apple ID right here, and after you add your Apple ID right here, you will see a sign in option and you have to simply tap on sign in here. Otherwise, if you have already signed in, this is the type of interface you will be getting. Now enter your Apple ID and password, and if you have already created one, just sign in here. If it's the first time, you may also be asked to verify with your Face ID, Touch ID or a verification code that will be sent to you in your email address. Once signed in, your profile picture or initials will appear at the top like this, as you can see here. That means your Apple ID is now connected to the App Store, and that's it guys. It is as simple as that. You have successfully added your Apple ID to the App Store. Now you can download apps, subscribe to services and enjoy all the Apple has to offer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.